The student dashboard serves as a personalized homepage for daily school life. It highlights real-time metrics like attendance percentages and active homework counts, while featuring an interactive notice ticker, a day-specific timetable with teacher and period breakdowns, pending assignments, and quick navigation links. The Student Profile section organizes complete student identities into accessible, tabbed records. It provides an immediate overview of primary enrollment details, including the student's name, class section, roll number, assigned schoolhouse, and blood group, alongside extensive administrative tabs for academic data, family contact records, home addresses, medical and transport routes, and official registration numbers. The Fees module provides a transparent summary of your financial standing. Students and parents can instantly check net outstanding dues, view quarterly itemized breakdowns for tuition, transport, or computer fees, make group payments, and track their entire verified online or cash transaction history from a single ledger. The bus tracker offers real-time vehicle positioning and live map tracking, allowing parents to monitor active routes and view time-stamped pickup or drop-off histories for a safe daily commute. The student attendance panel provides a real-time view of daily classroom presence, displaying overall percentages, total present or absent days, and monthly tallies to keep families informed about regular school participation. The timetable hub maps out the students' daily and weekly class structures, breaking down exact session timings, subjects, and assigned room teachers so learners always stay organized for their upcoming periods. The report card module delivers a clear digital layout of academic progress, centralizing subject scores, term grades, and teacher remarks to help families easily monitor learning growth. The homework planner organizes daily assignments, clear due dates, and teacher resources in one place, allowing students to easily track pending, completed, or graded tasks. The online diary or exam module unifies daily classroom logs, homework notes, and teacher updates with a secure digital testing space for timed quizzes and instant performance feedback. Library, calendar or announcements hub keeps students and families completely aligned with campus life. From a single space, users can digitally browse library book inventories and track return deadlines, stay ahead of holidays and exam schedules on the central school calendar, and receive instant, critical circulars directly via real-time announcements or notifications. Behavior Hub. The Behavior Hub tracks student conduct using an intuitive color-coded card system, green for excellence, yellow, orange for warnings, and red for disciplinary action, logged directly by teachers. The Collections or Dues module provides an instant overview of paid receipts, pending balances, and school payment deadlines. The Escort card provides authorized passes for secure student pickups. Learning Companion and Information Hub right inside the portal. Students can get instant homework help and academic explanations, while parents can ask about school policies, upcoming deadlines, or administrative updates for a completely connected campus experience.